everyone, it's Yusuf from Luxury Reports. If you're looking over my shoulder, that's 2020 Lexus RCF. And unfortunately, like Rodney Dangerfield, it gets no respect. Let's go and take a look. New for this year, you get an entirely new front end with integrated headlights along with taillights. The new integrated headlights look great. It really helps freshen up the model along with the taillights as well. Overall, the shape is still the same, and to me, the front end, certain angles, it does look like a beluga whale, but other angles, it looks good. It's kind of a mixed bag, and unfortunately, the very angular shape that Lexus chose to go with the RCF tends to kind of lead one down that road. But overall, it's a good looking car. It doesn't look like anything else on the road, and if you want personality and distinctiveness, the RCF is the way to go. My personal favorite feature of the exterior on this RCF are these gorgeous set of hand-polished 19-inch BBS wheels. They look stunning, along with the orange 6-piston calipers. It really helps set off the beautiful aesthetic that Lexus is going with. The interior of the RCF is another piece of fine artwork. Yes, I said artwork because if you look at the stitching on the seats in and of itself, it looks beautiful. They're also beautiful to look at and beautiful to sit in. It's supportive, it's comfortable, and again, it looks great. I love the two-tone leather. You have contrast stitching that goes from the doors to the steering wheel to the gear shifter. You have carbon fiber accents strewn across the interior. Overall, the cabin is just a luxurious place to be. Here it is. Here's the heart and soul of the RCF. This 5-liter V8 has a personality that basically no other car on the road has. I love this motor so much. I want to take it out, make a coffee table out of it, get another unit, cuddle with that unit at night, and probably make sweet love to it. It's so good. It's smooth, it's quiet, and the way it comes on cam, it's guttural, it's raw, it's vivacious. God, I love this motor. Unfortunately, it's bolted to a kind of old 8-speed automatic that upshifts fine. Downshifting is the issue. In normal mode, it doesn't respond. In sport mode, it responds a little bit better. Sport Plus is just a little bit better than that, but trying to use the paddles, it's kind of worthless. But the motor makes up for it. I would be happy with this day in and day out. So phenomenal job, Lexus. I'm probably gonna cry like a little baby if this ever goes out of production. Okay, let's go ahead and go over the good. We have that beautiful 5-liter V8, which I'm going to marry. You have phenomenal ride quality. The way the RCF can soak up a bump and handle a turn. The contrast is beautiful. It's whoever tuned the suspension, I will find you one day and I will hug you and shake your hand and be your best friend. It's that good. Interior fit and finish, it's a quiet, beautiful, serene place to be, and supportive at the same time. The looks can be a mixed bag, but from other angles it does look good. Handling wise, it's taut, the steering is direct, their active rear diff really comes in hand. The bad parts of the RCF are few, but somewhat glaring to me. The touchpad that works Lexus Inform infotainment system is horrendous. I hate it. You try to use it while you're driving, you will crash. But voice activation does work, so you can bypass the system entirely. Overall, the graphics are rendered rather poorly and it's somewhat slow to operate. You also have a backup camera that looks atrocious, doesn't really work at night, and from an 8-inch screen goes down to a 2-inch screen because the resolution is horrible. You also have a foot operated handbrake or emergency brake. Regardless, it doesn't belong on a 2020 model year vehicle, it belongs on a truck from 1998. Closing thoughts on this 2020 Lexus RCF. The only thought I really have is I want one. If I didn't have kids, I'd buy one. Since I have kids, I really want a GSF. It's that good. It's got a beautiful personality. It's distinctive. It handles beautifully. It looks good from certain angles, I guess. But from other angles, it looks great. The interior is phenomenal. And that motor, again, I will have that motor somehow, some way in my life. Great job, Lexus. Overall, I'd get this car in a heartbeat. This is Yusuf signing off. Talk to you guys next time.